have the mini stepper. I'm so excited to try it. I've been influenced on TikTok, so let's unbox. This will be going right there. Oh, okay. That's the side. Got these ties. Okay, that's the side. That's the side. Instructions. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Take this out the bag. I think it takes a battery. See? Oh, it's on. Ow! So I guess the battery goes underneath here. I don't know. I'll figure it out one day. So I'm just gonna hook the bands on here. Let me put you guys down. These are the bands I'm gonna put. Wait. Just clip on. Just take this, see it's open, and just put it in here. Okay, and kind of lock in place. All right, okay, I got it all attached. Okay, do I put them on, do I do it with shoes on? Let me see if I do it on with shoes on. I'm gonna try it with the shoes off. Let's try it with the shoes off. Okay, make sure I'm grabbing this right. Ooh, okay. Wait, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Okay. Shoes out the way. I think I'm flat. Let me back it up a little bit. All right, let's get it started. Hold this like that. Let me turn this on. All right, put my feet in. Whew, wait. All right, let's see. Ooh, wait. Can't go that high. All right. Here we go. Okay. My feet feel like it's sliding though. All right. Ooh, baby. I'm just starting to feel a burn. All right. Wait, let me try without the straps. Hey. Okay. Boy, okay. Okay, let me see if I, oh no, wait. Alright. Okay, let me see, go down. Ooh. Hey. Hey. It's like a rhythm, you gotta get a rhythm. Gotta get a rhythm. Ooh, yeah. Oh, okay, I'm kind of gonna move fast. All right, yeah, side to side. All right. All right, I'm gonna pick the things up. Let's see. Ooh, wait. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Oh, okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Oh. This thing is a beast. Yeah, I'm going to play around with it to see what else I can do with it. But I tried. Turn it around. Okay, I gotta figure out how to use the count time and the calorie thing, because even though it's on, it didn't do anything. So I don't know. Let me try. Maybe I had to set it. So I'm gonna try it one more time and see if it'll come on. Let's just see. Okay, it looks like it's blinking. So let me see. I am picking up the straps. Ooh. If you feel the burn up in here and in your bottom part of your legs. Woo. Okay, let me see. I don't see nothing. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that part out, but I can just use my Apple Watch and for the time being. But it's about to be on and popping with this machine. But I'm already out of breath. Lord have mercy.